Want to see what's actually running on your Windows PC? You don't always need Task Manager. Command Prompt has built-in commands that can list active processes, show useful details, and even help you find or stop a specific task. In this guide, I'll show you how to do it. Let's get started. First, open Command Prompt from Windows Search, then type Tasklist and press Enter. Windows will display a list of currently running processes, along with their process ID, session information, and memory usage. This is the quickest way to get a basic overview. If you're looking for a particular application, you can filter the results. For example, type Tasklist, pipe, findstr Chrome to search for processes containing the word Chrome. You can replace Chrome with another process name. Yeah, this is much easier than scrolling through a long list. To display more detailed information, use tasklist/v. The verbose option adds extra details about each process, including status and other session information. You can also use tasklist/? To see the available options and filtering commands. Some Windows processes are connected to services. To see which services are associated with a process, you can use tasklist/svc. This adds the services hosted by each process when that information is available. This can be useful when troubleshooting a Windows service that's behaving strangely. Every running process has a unique process ID or PID. You can use that number when you need to identify a specific process. For example, tasklist/fi, PID EQ1234, filters the list to a specific PID. Replace the example number with the PID you're actually investigating. If an application has completely stopped responding, CMD can also terminate a process with taskkill. For example, taskkill/PID1234 targets a process by its PID. Be careful here, because ending the wrong process can close applications or affect Windows. Always verify the process first, and that's how to check running processes using CMD. Start with tasklist, filter with findstr, use /v or /svc for more details, and only use taskkill when you're certain about the process. So if Task Manager isn't convenient, Command Prompt gives you another quick way to inspect what's running.